So that's exciting that we can finally get the Jeep set here in Canada, and loads of other new figures as well. They have the Legacy Collection figure pack on sale as well for $28, so that's pretty neat. But yeah, no, I'm really excited. Apparently we're supposed to get the albertosaurus as well as the Scorpius Rex soon. I know the US, you guys down there have already got it, but I'm just excited we finally have this set. I've been waiting for a new figure set for so long. Like, we're also getting some of the newer Wild Tack and stuff, you know, Dino Escape and whatnot. But yeah, no, super excited about this set. It's wicked, and I can't wait to get the rest of them. Also, apparently, the set with the Ford Explorer is coming out at Toys R Us as well, so that'll be a score. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.